Hello everyone, welcome to the Showcase channel. I have here a single box break 2016 Topps Triple Threads. This box came up at a cheap price, so I've been opening a lot of baseball lately. I actually collect more basketball, but I do like veteran Hall of Famer stuff when it comes to baseball, so that's one of the things that I try to look for. Um, with when it comes to baseball. So just gonna do one mini box at a time. Let's go with this one. This one's kind of has a small dent in it. Okay. Doesn't seem too thick. Two hits per mini box. If you want to fast forward the video, feel free. Two hits per mini box, four hits per master box. So about the same thickness. Okay, there we go. Probably gonna try to sell the base cards out of this as well, since it's a new set. So I think the back two cards, if I'm not mistaken, are the inserts. So we've got Zach Greinke out of 340, 254 out of 340. And we've got Reggie Jackson out of 250 green, 43 out of 250. Manny Machado, first base. Carlos Carrera. Nice star players coming out of here. Jose Abreu, first hit. Pretty decent card. Paul Goldschmidt, 15 out of 36. Oh, 1 second, got baby troubles. Come here. Come here. I got you. Come here. Okay, I got you. Hey, let's see. What happened? You okay? You're alright. Okay, 15 out of 36. Paul Goldschmidt. Nice relic here. Gonna be for sale. I don't collect that player, so. And then we have here Cole Calhoun for the Angels. Chipper Jones on top. Back two cards out of 250. Hunter Pence, 21 out of 250. 300 out of 340. Another Paul Goldschmidt card. Insert. Chipper Jones, Satchel Paige, Matt Kemp. Looks like Randy Johnson for the Mariners. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. 17 out of 18. C. Worthy. And the relic, I guess, is going to be Wilmer Flores. So, Randy Johnson, very nice for the PC. 17 out of 18. I'm going to probably get this one graded here, so that's a pretty nice pull there. Randy Johnson, 17 out of 18. That's probably the hit of the break. So, the two autos, Cole Calhoun, Randy Johnson, and the Paul Goldschmidt walks insert. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to go tend to my baby, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.